Hey guys, it's Morgan, and today I'm going to be doing a video about how to make an animatic on basically any program. If you don't know what an animatic is, it's usually just like choppy animation. It's like a choppy, simpler animation. I'm going to clear this canvas so that I can, because I was recording this earlier, but then I stumbled too much, so I ended up stopping where I was. It's really just choppy animation. And it's like frame, you can really tell it's frame by frame. It's simple and it's fun. Usually they're based off of memes or some funny things. Really, so you can do this, you can make one on any program that has a layer function. You'll also need an opacity function, which is this. That's it, that's all you need. And you can find these in most, if not all, drawing programs. You do not need a fancy animation timeline or anything like that, because this is supposed to be easy, simple, fun. So I'm going to be using, I tried to do this earlier and I'm a little frustrated because I couldn't. I'm going to try and do this scene with Proxima Midnight throwing the spear. See, that's so short. It's probably only going to be like 2 frames. So let's map it out real quick. We're gonna have a frame for, I'm slowing down the clip like crazy so T'Challa sounds like he's like Okay, so we're gonna have a frame with a hand at right here. Like, let's go ahead and map that out. Okay, so we're gonna simplify it too. So we have that first part, then we're gonna do this part. So after you got your first frame, go to the make a new layer, go to the original layer and make the opacity setting about 30 to 50, okay? Because you want to be able to see it. This is also called the onion skin if you're working in a different program. It's used for literally any type of animation.
I do apologize if the audio has decreased in quality now because I'm using my video game headphones to record this because I am insecure about my voice. And family is home now. So you see we got hand in front, pulling back. Yes, okay, there we go. So now we can go ahead and hide the first layer because we don't need that anymore. We really need to focus on this layer. But if you really wanted to, you could, but it does get a little confusing. So I recommend doing that. Now the last layer of my 3-frame animatic. I'm gonna look at this for reference again. Her head kind of moved over here. Alright, so I'm gonna fill in the details real quick and then I'll come back to y'all.
Okay, so here we have it. We have our 3 little layers. What I'm going to do is add a little bit of a background. It's going to be very messy because it's just a little thing. Animatics are supposed to be really kind of like rushed and sketched, so I'm not going to put so much effort into it. I love the aesthetic of that. The next thing that we're going to do is turn on the layers that you want to be seen, which should be one of them in the background layer, and give it a name. Then do the exact same thing. Leave the background layer and then turn on the next one. And then do it again, one more time. And then you have the 3 frames that you're going to be using. I'm opening up iMovie right now, and I'm going to my project that I have. You take those 3 frames, here's a little, that's the part right before it. And so I take the 3 frames that I want to use. And what's things is that iMovie will automatically add the Ken burns, so what you do is select them all and go to full or fill and shrink them to as quick as you want it to be. Mine is a very quick part, as you guys saw, so I'm gonna shrink them to about 0.2 seconds. And you can change it however you want to fit the scene. Sometimes they can be 10 seconds each, you know, depending on what it is. But mine is like an action scene, so that's why it's pretty quick. Here I'll show this quick part. Jin as Spider-Man, Tick as Thor, and Ado as Proxima Midnight. Now, he's not a bad guy. It's just how it turned out, like a matter of circumstance. I'm really excited about this project. I'm almost done with it. It's going to be pretty simple animation, and as the video keeps going, the animation gets better because, you know, I just wanted to keep on going with it. I thank you so much for watching. I'm going to be doing a lot more animatics in the future and more like different things. This is just a really fun project that I've had a ton of fun with. If you have any questions about animatics, please let me know in the comments below. And, you know, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.